Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error on Valorant easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First just type here services and then scroll down until you find VGC. Now right click on VGC and go to properties, and after that just select automatic and then click stop and then start, and now just close it and go to Windows, update settings, and here just make sure to update all to install all the updates that you can find here. Just click check for updates if you want to see if there's any updates, and then restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, don't forget to launch Valorant as administrator. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.